In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PPT presentation with pictures in laptop. By the end, you will feel confident starting a presentation, adding images from different sources, arranging them neatly, and giving them a polished look with simple formatting tools. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. When it launches, you can choose a blank presentation for a clean slate, or pick a theme if you want a coordinated set of colors and fonts, right from the start. Themes help your slides look consistent without extra work. So choose one that matches the tone of your content. Once you are in, think of each slide as a page in your story. Click New Slide to add more pages whenever you need them, and build out the flow of your presentation, one idea at a time. Now, let's bring in pictures. Go to the Insert tab at the top, click Pictures, and choose this device to upload images saved on your laptop. This is perfect for photos you've taken or graphics you've downloaded earlier. Select the files you want and insert them. If you are planning ahead, keeping your images in an organized folder will make this step smoother. High-resolution images will usually look clearer on large screens. If you don't have the right image on hand, try the built-in stock images under the same Insert menu. These are high-quality visuals that cover a wide range of topics and styles. They're ready to use, so you can quickly browse categories. Pick the images that support your message and insert them with a single click. You can also select Online Pictures to search for images directly from the web without leaving PowerPoint. Type a keyword, review the results, and insert what fits best. Be mindful of usage rights and choose images that are appropriate for your audience and purpose. Once an image is on your slide, click it to move it anywhere by dragging. To resize without distorting it, drag from a corner handle to keep the proportions looking natural. If it feels too large or too small, adjust gradually until it balances well with the rest of your content. For a finishing touch, select your picture and open the Picture Format tab. Here, you can add a subtle border to define the edges. Change the shape for a creative frame, and adjust lighting to brighten a dark photo or tone down a harsh highlight. Small, consistent tweaks can make your slides look polished and professional. That's it. Thanks for watching.